how to download Facebook videos directly to your phone gallery for free. How to download Facebook videos for free directly to your phone gallery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Facebook videos for free from Facebook to your phone gallery directly. So if this is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe, click the like button, and comment, share to some other people so that they will be able to have this information. So let's go, guys.
So guys, you click on Facebook, you pick the video you want to download, then you click on that share arrow down there, you click on copy. Now you minimize, go to your browser, you type Facebook video downloader, click on the first option there, it's going to open. Now you paste the link on that box, paste it, then you click on download again. Once you click on download, it's going to open like this. Now you're going to see download video in normal quality or download video in HD quality. Use HD quality, that is high quality. Automatically the video is going to download. Then you click on open file. Once it's done downloading, this is the hard copy.
So I know that this video is very helpful for you. Please share the video, comment below. I will see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.